So just like I have said, digits is the bedrock for every number in mathematics. And they are always from 1 to 0, or you say 0 to 9. So when you are being asked, how many digits do we have in mathematics? They are basically 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or 1 to 0. When you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that is what is regarded as digits. So basically, when you talk about digits, they bring about all the numbers that we can claim we have, all the numbers that we can make in mathematics. So when you want to form numbers, they are formed as a result of the combination of different digits. All these are digits. But basically, digits are just from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. They are 10 in number. So when they come together, whether repeatedly or in different ways, they form what you call numbers. So you should not get it twisted by confusing digits to numbers. Digits brings about numbers. Numbers are just combination of different digits. All these things are numbers, but they are all the combination of digits. Am I making some sense here? I want to be sure I'm not talking to myself. Nadira, you can talk now. Can you hear me? Am I making some sense, Nadira? Or mute yourself. You can talk to me now. Nadira, are you there? You can talk to me or mute yourself, Nadira. Okay, Mutmainna Dabri, you can talk to me now or mute yourself. Hello, Mutmainna, are you there? Mutmainna, you can unmute yourself. You are allowed to speak. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, Ayo and Okpe, I think you guys have been talking to me. You can still unmute yourself now. Ayo and Okpe, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Good. So what I was trying to explain, I hope it is clear to you regarding what is called digits and what is called numbers.
Yes,
do you understand it?
Yes.
Good. Fantastic. Fantastic. I can see someone else is also joining. Welcome to class, Camille. Now, Adebale, I'm assuming I'm talking to a student. Adebale, can you unmute yourself, Adebale? Okay, Adabale, sorry. Adabale, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes.
Good. So I was saying earlier that how many digits do we have in mathematics? Can you please tell me?
We have 10.
Fantastic. God bless you. So what did I say digits are and what are numbers?
You said that digits are the foundation of
Numbers.
numbers.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Now, thank you for that.
Hello,
Nadira, can you talk to me now?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Mr. Hamzat. Hello.
Yes, Mr. Yakub, I can hear you.
Now, hope you
Yes.
check the video option.
Yes, I've done that now. Thank you for that. I've done that already.
All right.
Thank
All
you.
right.
Thank
All
you.
right. I just listened to your voice note now. All right.
So we are going to Nadira now. Thank you, sir. We are going to Nadira now. Nadira, can you please unmute yourself and talk to me? I can barely hear you very well, Nadira.
Assalamu alaikum.
Now, alaikum salam. So I was saying earlier that digits are from 0s to 9, while numbers are a combination of digits. I hope you understand that very well.
Yes.
Is that clear? Very good. Thank you. You can mute yourself back. Thank you. So now, if that is clear, let's go back to our slides. Let's go back to our slides. Going back to my slide now. So now that has been established regarding what digits are and what numbers are. So when we talk about whole numbers in terms of place values, we talk about them from the right to the left. The very first number that we have at the right is always regarded as either ones or units. After then, the combination of each two ones together gives us what we call tens. When tens now come together in group, they become hundreds. When hundreds come together in group, they become thousand. When thousand comes together in group, they become 10,000. For clarity, this is what I'm referring to. Can we see my play charts? My place value charts, beg your pardon.
Yes, ma'am.
Who should talk now?
Yes, sir.
It's a man talking, not a woman. Okay, Adabale can talk to me now. So for every number that you write, you start their naming from the back. And that is why this one is ones. And I said it is otherwise called units as well. Then if it becomes two digits, it becomes tens and units or tens and ones. Then we have it when it becomes three, then it becomes 100, tens and units. Now these numbers, whenever they are written, we classify them in trees. We classify them in trees. What am I trying to say? Here is it. We classify them in trees, meaning that if I choose to write a number, what I must have at the back of my mind is that this number I'm writing, take for instance, 2, 4, 5, 7, and 8. For whatever I choose to do with them, I must first understand the fact that I must classify them in trees. 1, yeah, 2, then 3. That's why the comma is always introduced, telling us that this particular first 3 digits from the back are representing a particular entity, and that entity is called 100. 100. While the second part or the next part that comes afterwards, which is just 2 here, they are regarded as 1,000. They are regarded as 1,000. They are regarded as 1,000. Now, these numbers that are regarded as 1,000, when I try to scroll up, under this 100, it is also split into these 3. And the first one here is units, tens, and 100, as we have explained it. And the next part, which is 1,000, will also have its own 3 categories: units, then tens. Units, then tens. Units, then tens.
7,000. I could drop Google 10,000.
Now I'm going back now. I think I've gotten the name of one of our learners, which I said they should rename their device. So Mariam Akonde is using the device GTCS. Am I correct? You can talk to me now. Am I correct, Mariam? Unmute yourself, please. Mariam Akonde, you are the one using GTCS. Am I correct? Unmute yourself, please. Okay. Ibrahim Olarewaju, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Do you understand the classification that I've just given?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. Somebody. Okay, yes, I'm listening to you, Ma.
Yeah, she has
That should be Mariam.
This is Mariam's mom. She has
Which
changed her name
network? I'm
twice.
still saying GTCS, that's why.
I don't know what's going on. We've changed it twice. It's showing Mariam Akonde here, but I don't know why.
Unfortunately, I'm saying GTCS, unfortunately. But no problem. She can still talk to me. Mariam, talk to me, please.
She has been feeling so sad.
Mariam, talk to me. I've been calling you now. Talk to me now. All right, Salam. Thank you so much. Sorry, my dear. So I was explaining the 3 categories of numbers. And I said when you write numbers, you label them from the back. And I said the first category of 3 are hundreds classified into U, T, and H. Is that clear to you, please, my dear?
Sir.
Very good. So while the next set of numbers will also have its own U, T, and H, but with the number that we have written here is just 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. They're just 5 digits. So this is the only way we can address them. I hope this is clear to you, my dear. Is that clear to you, Mariam?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Now with this, we are progressing to identifying digits with their place values. Now, Muhammad Nasiru, can you please unmute yourself? Muhammad Nasiru, are you there? Unmute yourself, please. Not talking. Okay. Ibrahim Olariwaju, can you please talk to me?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, with these numbers that are written on the screen, what's the place value for 7?
70 tens.
Place value, tens. That's just it. Thank you. Abdurrahman Ajani, can you please unmute yourself? You can talk to me now, Abdurrahman Ajani. Abdurrahman Ajani. I suppose there might be a challenge there.
Okay. My mic wasn't working for a second. I had to turn on its permissions. Okay.
Okay, no problem. So what's the place value for 2 on the screen? What's the place value for 2? What's the place value for 2? As it has shown in your screen.
10,000.
Pardon me?
10,000.
10,000. That's what we want to achieve. Thank you so much. Maria Makonde, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What's the place value for 4 that you can see on your screen? What's the place value?
10,000.
4, my dear. 4.
Units.
Unit of what, my dear?
Of 10,000.
Unit of 1,000. Unit of 1,000. This thing you are seeing on the screen is representing 1,000. So what we are trying to show to ourselves is that there is a categorization of numbers. Looking at this particular screen I'm showing now, that for every number we are writing, they are always in 3 different sets. For first set of 3, their maximum number is 100. That's why we start from the back. Ones, tens, and 100. Now the next set of the 3s are thousands. And the first one could be regarded as unit of 1,000 or just 1,000. While the next one that follows will be 10,000, or you call it 10 of 1,000. And the next one that comes after it will be 100 of 1,000 or 100,000. That is what we regard as place value. Is that noted, my dear? Okay, thank you. Lawan, welcome to class. Can you hear me, Lawan? You can unmute yourself, Lawan. I hope I'm calling the student's name. Lawan, are you there? Okay, we can't hear. I'm going back to Aya, Ayo and Okpe. Ayo and Okpe.
Yes, sir.
Let me go with one of you, not the 2 of you at the same time. Okpe, talk to me first. Okpe, talk to me. Okpe, I want to write some numbers on the screen, so you are going to identify them for me as I'm going to be asking the questions.
Yeah.
Now, Okpe, look at the numbers I'm writing on the screen. Can you see it, please?
Yes.
You need to move.
Very good. Now, with what I've written on the screen, what is the place value for 3?
3.
I'm not going to label anything again, but I can probably help with a comma. What is the place value for 3?
Tens of thousands.
Tens of thousands. Thank you. Thank you. Who have I not called? Can Muhammad Nasir talk to me now? Thank you, Okwe. I'll come back to you later. Muhammad Nasir, are you there? Not there. Ibrahim Olariwaju, can you talk to me?
Yes, sir.
Good. What's the place value of 9 from what you are seeing on the screen?
Ones of thousand.
Okay, very good. You can say unit of thousand, 1 of thousand. Lawan Olaide, can you please unmute yourself? You are just joining. I want to hear from you too. Lawan Olaide. Walex, sir, welcome to class. I hope we can still catch up with what we are doing. Do you know the place value for these 2? Can you help me with that?
Sir, I can't see your screen.
These 2, what's the place value?
Sir, I can't see your
To be
screen.
your network, my dear. My screen is. That could be your network, my dear.
I should log out.
Ayo, can you see my screen?
Sir.
Can you see my screen? Okay,
Yes,
log out and log in.
sir.
Your classmates are saying you should log out and log in. Might be your network. Others are seeing my screen, please. So let me go to someone else. Nadir, are you there? Nadira? Nadira is not talking. Okay. Mariam Akonde, let me go back to you. Mariam, please unmute yourself. I hope you guys can hear me. Mariam?
Yes,
Mariam, can you hear me?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, what's the place value for 2? What's the place value for these 2? These 2, what's the place value? What's the place value, my dear?
10,000.
Look at it very well, please. I've told you that for
100,000.
every number, there. Pardon me?
100,000.
Say it again, please. 100,000 is correct.
100,000.
That's it. So for every number that is written, we need to understand the way they are categorized. And that's what we are trying to emphasize on. So now let's lay down together, everybody. This is units. This is tens. This is 100. This is unit of thousand. So we can just write TH. So we can just write TH. Then this is 10 of thousand. We write a capital T, then another TH, representing 10,000. Then we can now make this one to be HTH, that is 100 of thousand, or we say 100,000. I hope I'm making some sense here, please.
Yes, sir.
Good. So this is very important in trying to identify the place values of numbers. Now, if this is clear for place values of number, shall we now look at value of number? There is a difference between place values of number and when we say value of number. Value of number. Now, when I say value of number, it's a different thing than saying place value. So value of number actually refers to something. Who can help me out on that? When I say value of number, what am I referring to?
The number value.
the number value. Fantastic. The number value, or I can even say the exact number by pronunciation. Because when you are asked to pronounce the word, when you want to call out the word, you call them by their value. You don't just call them anyhow. So when we say value of number, it refers to the exact number by pronunciation or the number value by what Mariam has said. That's fantastic. So now when this is clear to us, Adabale, please, going by the number that I've written earlier, 239,746. I don't want to say it myself. What do you think should be the value for 7? Adabale, please unmute yourself, my dear. What should be the value for 7? Pardon me? No. Now I'm talking about value now, not place value. I just said that. No, my dear. You are saying place value, my dear.
700.
700. Fantastic. That is the exact way to pronounce the number. So when we talk about numbers, we are calling them by their exact name. That's the number value. Now, I'm going to Ayo now. Ayo, mute yourself. Ayo.
Yes, sir.
Ayo, what is the value of 9? What's the value of 9?
The value of 9 is 1,000. 9,000.
Value, my dear. What you are saying is still place value. I've made a clarification on that.
9,000.
9,000. Thank you, my dear. So we need to understand the difference between value and place value. There was a boy I saw earlier, Camille, and I can't see him again. Could that be network? Oh, so sorry. So Lawan, I'm back to you now. I believe you can see my screen now. Lawan, unmute yourself, Lawan.
No, sir.
You're still struggling.
You still cannot see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Okay, let me do you a favor.
Supposed to press because I've been trying to help out.
I guess it's a network.
It's a network.
It should be a network, but I'll do a favor. I will stop sharing my screen, then I will restart again and see if the error might be solved like that.
Okay, thank you.
I want to stop sharing my screen. And I'll now restart all over again to see if the screen will become better now. So I'm resharing my screen. Lawan, can you see the screen now? Lawan, can you see the screen now? I've restarted all over again. If you still cannot see, that should probably be your network. So you need to leave and rejoin. You need to leave and rejoin. Okay, thank you, my dear. So Nadira, you can talk to me now. Unmute yourself, Nadira. Nadira, unmute yourself. The challenge is still there. Mutmainna. Oh, I think these people are actually having network. Okay, Nadira, can you talk to me now?
Yes, sir.
Pardon me? Can you hear me now? What's the value for 7, Nadira? What's the value for 7? From what you have on the screen, what's the value for 7?
700.
Thank you, my dear. Ikma, can you hear me? No, not activated. The sound is not activated, unfortunately. Who else can I call there? Back to Mutmainna. I think some people are still having challenges to talk to me. Why now? What is happening?
I'm available.
Seriously. Okay, Abdurrahman, I can hear you talking to me. What's the value for 3, Abdurrahman? What's the value for 3?
10,000.
I said value. Value. I've just corrected everybody about that. Value is different from place value.
30,000.
30,000. We need to understand that, please. Thank you. Value is different from place value. Value means the number value. Thank God Mariam was able to tell us that. So Mariam, let's go to Mariam now, who established that word for us. Mariam, what's the value for 2? Mariam, what's the value for 2?
200,000.
Say that again, my dear.
200,000.
Fantastic. That's what I want to hear. Thank you so much. The value for 2 is 200,000. So I believe we all get what I'm trying to establish here now, that there's a difference between value and place value. Place value is just like an address attached to a particular number, while value is the number value, the exact way that number is pronounced. So now I want someone to volunteer by pronouncing this number for me. How will you pronounce this number altogether? Ibrahim Olanrewaju, can you pronounce this number for me? How will you pronounce it?
200,000.
The number 239746, the number we are discussing about.
239,746.
I hope we can all see it now. 239,746. So the number value is attached to each of those numbers, to each of those digits. That is why there's a difference between place value and value itself. So I think I can progress now to the next slide of my presentation. Let me go back to my slides. So now going back to my slide now. So I have 5468. Place value of number. I have said it earlier. 8 now tells you that we are referring to the value itself. So once there is the place value. So when we say 8 ones, 6 tens, 400, 5,000, we are making reference to the value. So take note, guys. These things under here represent their place value. This 1,000 is a place value. 100 is a place value. Tens is a place value. Ones is a place value. But when you look at it like this, this is the value. Writing it in expanded form will help us because they are addressed now together. We are writing them in expanded form. This tells us that 5 is 5,000, 4 is 400, 6 is 60, and 8 is just 8 itself because it is in ones and it's a single digit for the unit. Can I continue, please?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Now, progressing. Now, writing in expanded form, you might be asked to write numbers in expanded form. 342156, which is 300,000, 4,000, 2,000. It's just not different from the way I've done this one. It's just a continuation. Now, when you are writing this number in word form, because I said earlier, by extension, we'll be writing numbers in figures and also in words. So this number is 342,000. As we can see down here, 342,156. 342,156. I hope you are making sense. Can we continue, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Now, can we try the following? Can we try the following? You can take the questions as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Whichever one you feel you want to answer, let me know. If you miss it, I'm here for you. The first question says, how many are there in 1 million? You can take your time to write it down on your book. If you miss it, we are here to do it together.
7.
If you want to answer it, just signify. If you want to answer it, signify. Don't just say the answer in chorus. Don't just say it anyhow. Let me know so that I can allow you to do the needful. You want to answer my question? Just signify. Who wants to answer it?
Me.
Okay, Abdurrahman. Which of the question do you want to answer?
Question number 1.
Question number 1. So how many digits are there in 1 million?
7 digits.
7 digits. Okay, that's your answer. Let me ask someone else to say whether they agree or disagree. Mariam, do you agree or disagree with what he has just said? How many digits makes 1 million?
Agree. 7.
7 too, Mariam. Thank you. Ayu and Okpe, it's not compulsory that you are sitting together and you agree together. Ayu and Okpe, how many digits make 1 million?
7.
Okay, Ayu and Okpe are also saying 7. Okay. Ibrahim Olariwaju, how many digits makes 1 million?
7.
7. Now, let's look at it together. Whether we are right or wrong, but I'm sure my friends will surely be right. So when we say 1 million, it is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0. So definitely, the digits that makes up 1 million is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That is absolutely correct. Who does not understand that? My friend Adabale, I think he or she has renamed again. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
That's Adabale talking to me. That's good. We are together. That's good. Fantastic. Very good. Thank you, my dear. Muhammad Nasiru, I've been struggling to hear from you since. Okay. I think Ikma Bello can now hear me. Ikma Bello, can you please unmute yourself? I've allowed you to talk to me. Can you talk to me now? Unmute yourself, Ikma Bello. You have been allowed to talk to me. Unmute yourself. I want everybody to be a part of this class. Still struggling with that. Okay, so we are moving on. So the second question says, express 20110 in words. How do you pronounce that word? Even before you want to type it. How do you think we are pronouncing it? I decided not to put my comma there. Where do you think my comma should be?
I.
Oh, excellent. Thank you. Is that Ikma Bello?
Yes, sir.
Or Mariam?
Hikma.
That's Ikma Bello, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Can you please try this question too? Pronounce this number for me. 20110. Pronounce it, please. I chose not to put the comma there. Can you please pronounce it? Help us out. Or tell me first, where should the comma be? Where do you think the comma should be? After the what?
20.
After, okay, you mean this place, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now pronounce the number. Say it.
20,110.
Say the number. 20,110. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now, let's go to Nadira. Nadira, can you talk to me now?
Yes, sir.
Nadira?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, pronounce this number in question 3. Pronounce the number in question 3. All these things you are still going to do it to me. You are going to send it to me as a private message. because there's no how I can get the message from you, but I will screenshot it back to you after the class so that I can see your inputs and to be able to assess you.
500,000. 520,084.
Say that again, my dear.
520,084.
520,084. That's fantastic. Thank you so much. Now, Ayo and Okwe together. Question 4. How do you think I will solve this? What is the sum of the values of 2 and 1 in the number 4219? Don't forget where we started from. Knowing the place value. Knowing value. Now the question says, what is the sum of the values? So you are taking 2 steps. Those 2 steps will lead you to getting the answer. What do you think will be the answer to this question 4?
So first, you have to take the 200 out of 4,219. You also have to take the 10 and then you have to add it.
So what will now be the answer? Allow your brother to say the answer. What will be the answer?
210.
210. That's fantastic. So basically what we are saying, I hope every other person here can also recall and can get that. The value of 2 here is 200. So we write 200. That's what we are trying to say here. It's not a big deal, though. So the value of 2 there is 200. So we are saying sum. It's a keyword. Sum means addition. Then the value of 1 is 10. The value of 1 is 10. So it means we are now saying 200 plus 10, and the answer becomes 210. So this is just what is expected from us to do. So we're talking about place, values, and numbers. These are other things that we might be asked to solve. Now, next question says, find the difference between the values of 6 in 12687 and in 21867. I am not saying the numbers out. You are to identify them. So I want to challenge the following people to give me the answers. Muhammad Nasiru, Lawan Olaide, Mariam Akonde, and Adabale. Who wants to give me the answer first? Your time starts now. I want to know who can give me the answer first. Give me the answer. Give me the answer.
Question again.
The question is on the screen. Can't you see the screen, my dear? Lawan, are you still struggling to see the screen?
You can see the screen.
Number 4, number 5.
I'm referring to question 4. Find the difference between the values of 6 in 12687 and in 21867. That's the question. So I said Mariam, Adabale, Muhammad Nasiru, and who was the 4th person? I can't remember who I called as the 4th person. So who has the answer?
Mima.
Okay, Adabale, what's your answer?
540.
Your answer is 540. Let's allow others to say their own too. Maya Makode, what's your own answer?
Not yet.
Okay, you are not done yet. Okay, still doing it. Lawan, what's your answer?
She didn't get the question because we had to log out, so she will listen now.
Okay, can you see my screen? That's what is very important, please, ma'am.
You can see it now.
Okay, this is the question I'm referring to, Lawan. This one here. Find the difference between the values of 6 in 12687 and in 21867.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. So I've had answers from Maria Makonde and Adabale. So I'm expecting Lawan to also give a trial. Okay, yes, I remember. I also mentioned Muhammad Nasiru. Muhammad Nasiru, do you have an answer? Can you please unmute yourself, Muhammad? Muhammad, can you unmute yourself? Muhammad. I'm serious. Could be the challenge with him. Lawan, do you have an answer? The first thing you need to do is to identify the values of those 6 there. Then you do the difference. What's the meaning of the word difference in mathematics, Abdurrahman Ajani? What's the meaning of difference in maths?
Minus.
Minus or subtraction. Thank you, my dear. So, Lawan, do you have an answer for us quickly? We are running out of time. Okay, let's help you. Let's do it together. Let's all do it together. Those who have contributed, thank you so much. So everybody learns together. So the value of 6 here is 100. So you write 600. 600. Difference means minus. The value of 6 in this place here is 60. Lawan, is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So from here, you will now work out your answer, which is 600 minus 60. So if you work it out, 600 minus 60 will now give you what is 540. That was how my friends got their answer. So the answer is 540. Identifying values and also using it to solve problems. That's what we have just been able to do there. Is that taking, my dear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Let me go to, okay, Ibrahim Olariwaju. Let's hear from you. Ibrahim Olariwaju, unmute yourself, please. The next question says, state the place value of 5 in 5670038. I choose not to put a comma. I've already explained how to put a comma to you. So Ibrahim Olariwaju and Nadira, the challenge is between the two of you. What is the place value of 5? Nadira and Ibrahim Olariwaju.
5 million.
Nadira. Pardon me?
5 million.
No, I didn't say value. I said place value. You need to understand those two, the difference. Value means say the number value. Place value tells you what is the position. The position. So you don't say 5 something again. Can you please repeat yourself, Ibrahim Olariwaju? What is the place value of 5?
Once a million.
Once million, or you say million. Okay, thank you for that. Once million or million. Nadira, what's your own?
1 million.
Unit of million. Or you just say million. Is that unit? You don't need to attach anything to it. You can just say million. Is that taking, my dear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So now, trying to answer your question, I'll introduce my own comma. 830. First 3 is concluded. 076. I've also gotten another 3. So here, I have this to be 100. Here is 1,000. Ikma Bello, are we together, please? Here is 1,000. Are we together, Ikma? Then surely this place is million. Million. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. So that 5, the place value is million. But when I send the screenshot to you, when you are asked to do it, the extension says write the value in words, which is going to be 5 million. The difference from asking about place value and asking about value. So let's progress. Let's quickly rush over this if we can still do it in the little time that we have. So who wants to challenge or who wants to answer this question for me? The first question in this one. Ayo Okpe, Muhammad Nasiru, Abdurrahman, Adabale. Who wants to face this challenge? The first question. How many numbers between 9 and 6? 9 and 49 are divisible by 6. How do we go about this? You have your book with you. You can quickly do a rough work there. How many of them are there? between 9 and 49. How many numbers are between that 9 and 49 that are divisible by 6? This is an extension to the numbers or place values that we are learning. We are just putting them together. Can you think? I want you to think. I want you to think. Who has an answer for me? How many numbers between 9 and 49 are divisible by 6? Are you Anokpe, Ikma Bello, Muhammad Nasiru, and Abdurrahman Ajani? The challenge is between the 4 of you, or 5 per se. Who wants to answer it for me? Okay, somebody said I have my answer. Adebale, please go ahead. Tell me. How many are they? 7. You said 7? Let's hold on. You said 7. Let's hold on. I've taken note of your answer. 7. Just hold on. Ayo and Akpe, how many do you have? Ayo. Ayo, how many? How many?
I have 8.
You have 8. What about Okpe? Okpe, how many do you have? It's not compulsory to the same answer, my dear. You also said 8.
No.
All right, no crime. Okay, okay, you disagree with your brother. Okay, Ikma Bello, do you have an answer? How many of them are there?
4.
You said 4, Ikma. Abdurrahman Ajani, you are in this with them. I said how many numbers between 9 and 49 are divisible by 6? Just this question only. Abdurrahman, do you have your answer? Abdurrahman is not responding. So we've heard from Adabale to be 7. Ayo said 8. Okpe is yet to give me. Okay. Ikma said 4.
Sir, can I change my answer?
Okpe, do you have your answer now?
No, sir. It's me.
Nobody is changing your answer. I can hear somebody saying, I want to change my answer. You cannot change your answer. Because I'm about to do the correction. You cannot change the answer. Abdurrahman, do you have an answer? Okay, let's do it together, everybody. Let me change my screen to this one. Let me change my screen to this one. I want to use my whiteboard to answer that question. Okay, so I'm using. Who said I want? Who wants to try? Who is that person? Is that Ibrahim Olarewaju? Okay, Mariam. Okay, yes. Let's hear from you. Try.
7.
How many do you have?
7.
Okay, Mariam Akonde said 7. Mariam Akonde said 7. So let's confirm now, because I don't want those that I've said before to change their answer. But let's look at it together. Now, don't forget, we are looking at numbers between 6. Between what did I say? Mariam, okay, numbers between 9 and 49. That how many are they that are divisible by 6? So let's see who and who is correct. Numbers between 9 and 49. Numbers between 9 and 49 that are divisible by 6. If I were you, I would just go straight to what are the multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 to me now, I have 6, 12, 18, 24. After 24, what's next? I think it's 30. 36. We are counting in steps of 42.
48.
And we also have 48, right? But you know, the question says that are between 9 and 49. So it means that we need to strike out. We don't need 6. So we are going to take out 6. Let's remove 6. We don't need 6. So Uncle 6, we don't need you. Now, these numbers are the numbers that are divisible by 6 that are between 9 and 49. Do you agree with me, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Now let's count. How many are they? 1, 2,
3,
3,
4,
4, 5,
5,
6, and 7.
7.
So definitely Mariam is correct. And that ballet is also correct. Those are the numbers that are between 9 and 49 that are divisible by 6. So we're only counting in steps of 6. We are counting in steps of 6, but not going beyond 49. Not going beyond 49. I hope this is clear to us, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Can I quickly take just one more question before I try to send you an assignment? Just one more question. Okay, this one says, write in figures 2,490,361. How will I write this in figure? Who wants to help me out?
Me, man.
Who wants to answer me?
Adabale.
Help me out. Help me out. Okay, Adabale wants to help me. Oh, yeah. What would be my answer?
Your answer would be 5.
No. The question starts from 2 million. 2 million. That's the first thing. This is what we are talking about. 2,490,000.
Sir, can I try?
Yes, try.
Yes, sir. Can I try?
Hold on. Not quite a crowd here. Hold on.
2.
Adabale has tried. So we are going to someone else again. Okay, no one wants to try.
Can I try? Sir, can I try?
Everybody wants to
Can
try.
I try?
Okay, let's all take it together. Everybody, let's take it together. Oh yeah, if you have the answer, 2,490,361. Let's go. Start.
2, 4, 9, 3, 6, and 1.
249 what? After 9, what's the next thing?
0.
0. Then what again?
9. 3.
Then
3. 6.
and what?
And 1.
So we can introduce our comma here. 2,490,361. That's the answer. I hope that is clear, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So we need to draw up the curtain here now. I will send you the assignment, which is just what you have already started in class. It's just for you to continue it. Solve it in your own book, and you send me a private chat on WhatsApp when you're done with your work so that I can assess you and we'll get ourselves prepared for tomorrow's work. Is that taking everybody?
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Thank you for being in class today. I wish you the very best. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. So I want to stop the video now. Let me stop sharing my screen. Stop sharing my screen. So I'll see you tomorrow and you'll get your work. You get your work.
Okay,
You get your work.